I look like a 13-year-old boy. Hey, what's up you guys? So before I start the video, I just want to say happy birthday to my best friend Madison. This video is dedicated to her, and in the background you're going to hear music from the Buttertones, which is her favorite band. Basically, I'm going to show you how I made this present that I gave to her for her birthday, and I would absolutely love it if in the comments you left her little happy birthday wishes. This DIY is basically something that you could put on your wall, you could put on your dresser, table, nightstand, wherever you please. It's perfect for a gift, for Mother's Day, for your friend like I did, or just for yourself. So let's get into the video.
Now, here's everything you will need. Cardboard or foam board. A hot glue gun, make sure you have extra sticks. A writing utensil, I used a swanky pink Sharpie. A handy dandy ruler. Scissors or a blade/box cutter. And faux flowers. Lots of them. Now, here's the first thing you're going to want to do. Get your cardboard or foam board and get your ruler and start to trace out your desired letter. I'm tracing out an M for Madison since this is for Madison's birthday. Now for step 2. So once you have traced out your block letter, you're going to want to cut that letter out. I used scissors on cardboard, and I think they're safety scissors, so it wasn't the best cut, and I actually got frustrated and started ripping at one point. Don't do that, because you risk messing up your project. So be careful. Probably use a box cutter. Now for step 3. Basically, all you're going to want to do here is plug in your hot glue gun to make sure it gets hot while you're doing step 4. Now for step number 4. Now you're just gonna pop the flowers off the ends of the stems. It's usually pretty easy to do this with faux flowers, but sometimes they just don't want to come off, and you don't need that negativity in your life. So you know what you do? You get your scissors and you cut the little ends off, okay? Okay. Now for step number 5. What you're going to want to do is you're going to take all your little faux flowers and you're going to glue them down to your letter. Now I noticed it was a little hard to get the flowers to stick and stand up because they had these little nubs at the end. So cut those little nubs off with your scissors and then glue them down. It'll glue down much easier. Also, a word of advice, don't burn yourself. I burnt myself a couple times, but I'm fine. Everything's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now time for the final step, step 6. What you're going to want to do is cut out a little square. Now diagonally cut that square in half to create 2 little triangles. Now what you're going to want to do is flip your letter over and set the triangles a little bit above the very bottom of the letter. Glue these triangles down to the letter. These triangles will act as stands for your letter if you're standing it on maybe a desk or a dresser. Now, you don't have to do this step if you're gonna hang this on your wall, but this is not meant to hang on a wall. This is meant to sit on Madison's dresser if she chooses to put it there. So yeah, head over to Laura DIY's channel and tell her that there's a new DIY queen in town. But before you do that, make sure in the comments below you wish Maddie a happy birthday. It was her birthday on the 2nd. So yeah, she's 17 years old, so wish her a happy 17th. Like this video if you want more DIYs. Subscribe if you're new. And once you subscribe, that little post notification bell. My Instagram is @aisha.simone. So if you want to go follow me over on there, you can. And yeah, that's about it. Love you guys. Bye.